Presenting a new project which is in Manor, a town in Maharashtra. Manor is a census town in Palghar district in the state of Maharashtra. It is located around 88 km north of Mumbai on the Mumbai-Ahmedabad National Highway. This is the project which is around 50 kilometers away from Dahisar Cheknaga, which is around a 40 minutes drive. If you will think that stepping out your first home and getting into a second home in 5 minutes does not look like as a picnic, going on a traveling by road by train is a good obvious way, so it is the best option for you guys to buy this as your second home in this unbeatable prices. This is a project which is on the national highway. You don't want to go any left any right, it is directly on the highway, no left right. Prime location, like you all guys sees where the dhabas on the national highway, like this is the property. This is the back gate of this property. Swimming pool facing swimming pool, clubhouse. Best option to buy this. This is a 3 BHK bungalow. This is a sample bungalow, fully furnished. This is the common washroom below. This is the luxurious spacious washroom. This is the storage space made by the owner. This is the first room which is on the ground floor. It is a ground plus 1 plus terrace bungalow, 3 BHK bungalow. This is a fully furnished room. Spacious rooms. We have 1 BHK studio apartments, 2 BHK bungalows which is ground plus 1 plus terrace, 3 BHK bungalows which is ground plus 1 plus terrace. Let's go up and see the another 2 rooms. This is the area. This is the staircase to go up on the terrace. 1 room on the left, and this is the second room. This is the master bedroom, fully furnished, swimming pool facing, clubhouse would be there only. This is the whole room. See this view. This is inside property, and from that room you can see the national highway directly. This is the master washroom bedroom. This is the spacious washroom with jet schemes. Spacious rooms. Wow. Let's see this ultra luxurious room. Furnishing condition depends upon the taste. You can make it like a it's upon to you. This is a very spacious room with balcony facing towards national highway. See this room, it's so spacious. This is the open balcony facing towards national highway. You can see that national highway trucks are going. This is the Ahmedabad Mumbai national highway. This property is touched to national highway, no left right. See this balcony. See this property, amazing. This is the view inside. There are 2 BHK bungalows. This is your garden, private garden space. You can enjoy there also. This room is mind-blowing, well furnished. Now let's go up on the terrace. You can see the view from the terrace also. Let's go up. This is a 3 BHK bungalow, around 77 lakh rupees plus stamp duty registration. Best option. Once it will start more developing, the rate will also increase. Book now, don't waste your time. This is the best option for your second home. See this property. All charming bird voices are coming. Let's see that view. This is the national highway view, and from there you can see the clubhouse swimming pool view. This is the national highway. This is the property. Don't miss out the chance. Now let's go and see our garden space. This is our garden space. Very spacious garden space. You can enjoy here. There's a shelter dining area over there. It is very maintained, very nicely planned. It is developed by Parshvanath Darshan and constructed by Lock and Key Constructions. A very good project in this rate for your second home. I'm repeating again, we have 1 BHK studio apartments, 2 BHK bungalows, 3 BHK bungalows. In this rate you cannot get second home. Please contact Mursaleen Petiola for